Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine. I hope you all are fine, safe at your home and doing your online study. You see your online videos? Yes, very good. So, complete your work on time and complete your notebooks like EVS, Math, Hindi, English, all subject notebook complete it and revision also. Revision for all the subjects and writing for all the subjects. You return, daily you return 1 page, 2 page. Very nice. So, today which period is going on? Math period is going on and we will start the concepts. In your previous video we have done 3 concepts. Tall and short, big and small and heavy and light. So, tall and short and long and short are similar to each other. Both the concepts according their heights. आप height के according पता कर सकते हो कि which one is long, which one is short या फिर which one is tall and which one is short. उनकी height से हम पता करेंगे कि कौन सा long है, कौन सा short है और same as it is कौन सा tall है और कौन सा short है. So you understand what I am saying? I am saying tall and short and long and short are similar to each other. Okay. So now we'll start the concept of thick and thin. Now what is thick and what is thin? First take the picture of candle. Now this is a candle. This is also a candle. Both the candles, but concept of thick and thin is which one is thick and which one is thin. So this candle is thick, 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 and which one is thin? This one is thin, Thin. Small letter THIC के thick मतलब मोटा और पतला. So concept of thick and thin is this one is thick and this one is thin. Now next is now both the trees. It is a tree and it is also a tree. Yes, this is a tree and this is also a tree. Now which one is thick and which one is thin? Yes, this one is thin. So THIN, thin. And next is thick. So THICK, thick. This tree are thin and this tree are thick with their size like thick and thin. Here this candle is thick in their size, thin in their size. Here this tree thin in their size and this one is thick in their size. So the concept of thick and thin is this. Note down all the 2 examples from the board. Thick and thin. After 2 example, write next 2 is complete it fast. then make again two examples are, this one is done. Next two is book. Okay, so both the books it is a book and it is also a book. So which one is thick and which one is thin? This book is thick in their size and this book is thin in their size. So thick and thin. And next is it is a chili. And it is a thick pumpkin. So, which one is thick and which one is thin? Chili is thin in their size and the pumpkin is thick in their size. The concept of thick and thin is understand of you, all of you. So, make all the example in your math notebook and revise concepts. Like which thing is thick in their size and which thing is thin in their size. Thin and thick. Concept of thick and thin. Done. Okay. Write down all the 4 examples with this heading and after this change the heading. Next concept is, now move to the next, few and many. Okay, concept of few and many. This one is complete, then start few and many. Write fast. First we make the thick book and then thin book and write down the concepts like thick and thin. And all letters are small. All letters are small. Complete it fast. Now I'll erase the heading. New heading is few and many. F-E-W, few. Concept of few and many is with the help of pictures we understand all the concept. Okay, with the help of picture we understand all the concepts. So please make and draw some pictures and write some examples for your understanding. Okay, once you try the picture you are clear for the concepts. अगर आप pictures बनाओगे तो आपको जल्दी clear होगा कि which concept is का कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट का मीनिंग क्या है। सो प्लीज ड्रॉ द पिक्चर्स। आपको जैसे भी पिक्चर्स बनाते हैं आप बनाइए, ठीक है। और नोटबुक में ये सारे एग्जाम्पल्स नोट डाउन करना है आपको, ओके। सो नाउ द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ फ्यू एंड मैनी, राइट डाउन द हेडिंग कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ फ्यू एंड मैनी। Concept of few and many, like okay, here so many birds are there, and in this side only two birds are there. Now which side is few birds and which side is many birds? In this side so many means more than one, okay. So many, so here write M for many, and here few birds are there, only two birds, so few birds, so M for many and few. The concept of many and few here so many birds are there, so here many, and here few birds are there, so we write the few. Now number 2 is okay, so both the bunch of grapes, it is also a bunch of grapes and it is also a bunch of grapes. Now here many grapes are there and here few, so M for many and F for few. It is a concept of few and many. Here so many grapes are there and here few grapes are there, so it is a many and it is a few. Few and many. Concept of few and many. Write it. Then few and many, which concepts are there? Inside and outside. Write inside and outside. Write down the heading inside and outside. What is inside and what is outside? First you complete this few and many, then write down the heading inside and outside. What is inside and what is outside? We have already done in your previous video. Now let us revise all the concepts. So one by one, just take all the concept and understand all the concepts. Now what is inside and what is outside? Now you are inside the home, so it is inside. When the time you in playground, that is outside your home. Okay, अभी आप कहाँ हो? घर के अंदर हो, that is inside their home. जब आप पार्क में जाते हो प्ले करने, स्कूल जाते हो, that is called outside their house. So understand the concept of inside and outside. Take one example for inside and outside. First you make a bus. Children are inside the bus. Okay, now again make a bus. Now the children outside the bus. So here children are inside the bus and in this side children outside the bus. So the concept of inside and outside, I for inside and O for outside. Understand all of you? The concept of outside and here the concept of inside. मतलब बस के अंदर and बस के बाहर. Now take next example. Make a water ball and fish out of the bowl. Okay. In this side is a water ball and fish are inside the water bowl. Now what is the inside and what is the outside? Here outside the bowl, so O for outside and here inside the bowl, so I for inside. Note down all the two examples of inside and outside. Okay, so we have done concept first, long and short, tall and short, big and small, heavy and light, thick and thin, then inside outside. So we have done so many concepts with the help of their pictures. Next one is more and less. So more and less is also similar to few and many. Okay. Now what is the difference between more and less and few and many? So whenever the things are there like pencil, books, so we say few and many. Now whenever milk and water, quantity of milk and water, so you say more and less. Okay. अगर आप मिल्क की बात करते हो, वाटर की बात करते हो, that is more water, less water. You don't say few and many. Okay. So the difference between more and less and few and many is this. Understand all of you? So we have done all the concepts. Now your lecture is over and concept is also over. So bye and have a nice day. Please do work on time and understand all the topics. See the video and complete your work. Bye and have a nice day. Bye bye.